How's it going, everybody? My name is Luca LaRusso. We're here at beautiful Clearwater MarineMax. I'm going to show you this amazing Sea Ray SDX 270 outboard version. So up here at the anchor hatch, we've got your windlass anchor. Comes standard on all these boats, as well as your beach boarding ladder. So those days you'll be spending the entire day out in the sun in the sandbar, you have an easy way to get back up on your boat once it's beached to the shore. Additionally, we do have a controller up front, as well as by the helm. Stick that back in its compartment there. And one last thing, up at the bow, we do have a freshwater wash down, so that'll help with keeping your stainless really nice, as well as getting any sand or debris off of your feet. You'll see two receptacles up here. Those are going to add an additional sunshade for the whole front of the boat. So if the bimini isn't enough protection for you from the sun, you've got an additional shaded area up at the bow. And let's talk about the bow for a second. I mean, it's just beautiful. We've got a lot of space up here, as well as a receptacle for a table down here. Pops up. You can have a nice snack or some lunch on the water. Let's open this hatch here. Every single hatch in the Sea Ray is going to be fiberglass finished inside, as well as a handy gas shock. So that way, when you're on the water, you don't have to hold this in one hand, use the other hand to, get whatever you're getting down there and come down and slap your hand. That keeps it really nice and sturdy, keeps it up. Snap that carpet in. Coming down to the helm, we've got on the starboard side of the boat a very nice oversized head for this boat for a 27-footer. Comes with a nice screen on top. That way you can get some ventilation if somebody is laying down in there, because they do have some amenities for relaxing if you do need some time out of the sun. Nice vanity on the right side there. Stainless steel sink. More storage over here. Usually you could throw your Coast Guard kit, like your life jackets and your horn and flares and stuff like that. The stuff that you don't ever want to be tripping on inside the boat. Got your radio control over here. This is a Fusion audio system. Fusion's been making state-of-the-art products for a long time now, and it's become pretty much the recommended stereo system for a lot of boats in the marine industry. Over here at the helm, we've got a lot of tech going on. So we got dual SIM-RAD displays. You can do instrument panels on one side, navigation on the other. You can even split them down the side and have 4 different diagrams going at once, which is really awesome. Throttle of the boat, got your digital throttle. You have active trim, so that'll help your boat. The trim will actually actuate on its own and fluctuate to however it gets you up on plane more efficiently. Nice bench seat up at the captain's area, which is awesome because typically it's just one chair. It's nice to have the option if you're going out with a buddy or your wife. Bolster here, that way you can fully sit down or leave it up and have something to lean against once you're steering. Co-captain's chair here. Put the bolster down and you can put this forward. Once you're down at your favorite spot, anchored off, have one person laying out here, another person here laying down. It's got you covered with luxuries and amenities. You got a wireless charger down here in the gunnel. And the stitching on this boat is phenomenal. Nice diamond stitching with some cool details that's, signature to Sea Ray. Every one of these storage hatches under the seats are going to be insulated, so it doubles as a cooler. You got a drain down there, take it out, drain your ice out, your melted ice. Snap down carpet, again, is just an amazing feature. Makes it super easy to just take up and clean the whole boat down. It's the worst part about owning a boat, cleaning it, so that definitely makes it a lot easier. Another receptacle for a table at the back of the boat. You also have a doubling wireless charger on that side as well as forward. So 3 is what I'm counting right here. Towards the back of the boat, nice large sun pad. You could fit 3-4 people here. And this thing is powered by a V10 Mercury 400 Verado. Outboards are the desired option when you're boating in Florida and mainly everywhere nowadays. It's going to allow you to completely take that engine out of the water and gain a lot more space underneath you. That way, if you are into something shallow and it's getting a little shifty, you don't have to worry about anything. Thanks for joining me today. Again, my name is Luca LaRusso. You can call me at 727-475-2899. I look forward to seeing you.